Okay. Okay, that sounds a little weird, but it's just me trying to. I don't know if I'm awake enough for this, but hey guys, my name is Brian Barnett Gatcha here, and welcome back, folks, from one and all to Avion. For the mobile, it's Avion I, or mobiles, it's one. Ren's Quest, same thing, but it's a little bit updated. Anyway, in our last episode, well, we met the Devas, and now we're going to continue. Trials are serious. The trials are a serious matter, not to be underestimated. Are you ready to enter your trials? Yes. Very well, let's begin. What the hell? You wimp. No spacebar because we're not on the game. Okay, let's do it again. I don't know if we're even ready for this, but yes. I don't remember any of this when I did this. Like I said, new thing. So okay, we're not ready for this. Obviously, okay, we're not ready for that one then. Yeah. So we're not ready, are we? Good luck with the trials, child. Trials. Trials are an age-old tradition that has existed since Shadowwood Academy was built 800 years ago. You must face your teachers in trials and prove that you have the skill required to become an apprentice. Apprentice. There are two levels that a student can belong to: the novice level and the apprentice level. All students tend to start out as novices. When the teachers think a novice is ready, the student performs the trials. If the student passes, they become an apprentice. Okay. Before you attend the trials, I suggest you train for a while and upgrade your equipment. Oh, when you're ready, talk to Master Laura. They never let me do that before. I remember there's something about something, what? I'm so confused. Oh, okay, so we can't do that. Okay. Wow. Yeah, looks like we're gonna have to go out and train for a little bit. That's gonna suck. I don't think we are. Oh, but we are level 7. Hmm. Well, we should be able to stand a little bit against the chicken. Could give us a little bit of a fight, but we just don't want to take on two of them because they can kick our behind, our hindies. You know. So let's go do that. And because I don't think we have a whole lot of gold here. Oh, nope, we only got 77. So that's fine. Okay, there's no chicken this way. Oh crap. Oh. Oh. Well, what do you know? Never mind then. Yeah, we did it. I searched the corpse, but I found absolutely crap. Found five cold coins. Nice. The hell's over this direction? Nothing. Okay. I think we already went in here. Either in. Did we not go in here? Yeah, we did. Okay. That's good, I suppose. We could have got into some good loot, but we missed. Yeah, it looks like with spiders, you can just regular attack them. Ain't nothing. So, looks like we're doing some advanced training right now. Well, not to do upper advancement, but hey, we'll get there. Nothing. Nothing. One good coin. Okay, I suppose that's better than nothing. And that's fine. I'd rather have more, but, whatever. Ha 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 ha. You can't get to me. Neener, boo boo. Ha 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 ha. Nothing you can do. Nothing you can do. I know, it's such a little childish, but I mean, look. Oh, jeez, I didn't mean to fight him, but that's all right. Let's get it done, shall we? Wow, 5 EXP. You get more, I guess, when you have more or tougher opponents. Let's see if I can find me another chicken. Chickens are more valuable now. And seeing as how they are, let's go fight these some beansticks. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna kick your butt. Oh, only 9. Almost probably pushed the last one. I never ever used that anyway, but So yeah, you want to get that before it disappears. It's a little. They had a little bit of a time. Well, they did back in the old days. I don't know if they do that now, but I still wouldn't take the chance just in case, because you know, only takes about a few minutes, and then bam, you lose out on the loot. Since if they're not a threat, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the bird. There we go. And the only way to get gold coins is if you loot their corpse. Crazy, ain't it? In any other game, I wouldn't do this ever. Cool. Ooh. Oh, that's good. That's good. Okay. So what you see there is very, very rare. That's a drop from enemies in their corpses. Wild berries. Vine of wild berries. 15 health, 10 mana. Those come in handy. So no, we're not gonna use that, but we will be though. We will be until we get much stronger. Ooh, what's this? Oh yes. You contemplate digging with a hole with your fingernails, but you think of no traditional reason to do so. Maybe you should find a shovel. Ah, the old fabled shovel. Oh, wait, what's this? You found quail egg. Okay, that was not in the original game, but okay. Alright, but that's cool. If it was, I mean, I don't think I ever found one, so maybe it might have been something that I could have found later on or something, but whatever. Either way, and I'm repeat, I am not gonna marry off my characters with men. That just sounds nasty to me. Well, if they get old enough, they're gonna marry them off to me. Ha! The women anyway. Yeah, yeah. You know why? You know why? I love women. I ain't some fool wanting to be all uppity and some dude. No, hell no, man. Ugh. I'm not gonna say a junk about being a heathen. No, it's just I'm just not. I don't swing that way. Okay. I may swing with all my hammers, but I don't swing that way. All right. And I may be into women, but I hate to be picky, but I am a little picky. It's not based on what they look like or anything like that. It's just some of them I'm just not interested in. That's all it is. I don't swing that way for them. It makes no sense whatsoever, but, whatever. Point is, in the original game, you didn't actually have to do this either. Ooh, good. Well, that's good to find too. We're going to be finding different kinds of items too, by the way. Just so you know. Oh, wow, there's like two of these little suckers. When you get pretty strong enough, you can just pretty much one-shot these guys without even using skills. Anyway. We have 102 gold coins. Unfortunately, finding a shovel at this point ain't gonna work, because I don't think we have a place that sells shovels. Unlike another game, that has it limited, because all you gotta do is have one purpose for it, and then you gotta get rid of it for something else, which is crazy. Well, we'll go into that one next game. When it comes time to play that game, I mean. Yeah, I got all kinds of games I'm gonna be playing. It's gonna be Doom. I'll be back in the fold. Now, I don't know about how to go about upgrading my equipment at this point of the game, because I don't think we can do much in terms of upgrading our equipment anyway, but we'll give it a try. Yeah. What is that? Oh, okay, that's right. This is how you can tell. We need 70 more 75 before we can level up again. That's kind of sucks, doesn't it? And we only still have a stick. Well, we're going to go ahead and try to upgrade, but I ain't promising nothing. We might lose some gold, but we'll do it anyway. I hate having to do that, but let's look it up, shall we? No. Not gonna buy any of that right now. Dude, is you serious? You want to get in my way? You want to get in my way? Nah, you don't want to do that right now. Okay, so let's look. That's a place that has items that we cannot do right now, so not much we can do with it. So let's see here. Okay, let's get in here. There's a wooden staff we can get, or we can get a practice sword. Looks like we can't even wield that sword. Or the staff. Oh, hey, leather armor. What about studded armor? Looks better. We only have so much gold. I think for now I'll just buy the stick. I mean the practice sword. And then, yeah. And then the helmet made of supple leather. Wooden practice sword. Well, we can't do much as far as that goes, but we'll go ahead and spin that. And, yeah. I'll get the oak shield, which is only going to cost about 20. And then we're done. I think we have to equip it, though. Yeah, we do. Not bad. That's good. Okay. It'll help us in the long run. Yep. Okay. That'll work. And that's it. All right. I don't like what they've done to the equipment screen. That looks stupid. I mean, why would you have boots if you're not going to be able to wear them? I don't get it. Now it's time to test out our new capabilities against those chalapis. Oh, that's not bad at all. Look at that. But now we're cooking, boys and girls. Look at that. Look at that. Look. We got that going on. Hell yeah. Oh, come on. Nothing in the corpse? That's a big load of chunk. Okay. 51. Not bad. Okay. I'll take the 2 gold coins. Wonder if we'll stand a chance against these riots. I think there's supposed to be rats in here. I don't remember there ever being any. But let's go in there anyway. Alright. Boom. Oh. Yeah. Yep. We're doing good. Ooh, 5 gold coins. Ooh, 6 gold coins. It's not bad. We're doing good. Hell yeah. We're doing better than ever. Well, let's do it. Wow. They may be doing 1 damage. I hope it keeps up with that whole 0 damage eventually, because I hate that. If because I remember that being a thing in this game. I don't think any other game has ever done that where they said 0 damage. I like that. I liked 0 damage. Ooh, 32. That's good. Ooh, 6 gold coins. 6 gold coins. What do we got here? And that's okay. It's fine. 5 gold coins. That's fine. 81. We're almost nearing what we lost out on. We'll get even crap tons more later on. So, But for right now, this will do us good for now. Ooh, 10 wild berries. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, yeah. See, I'm kind of glad we waited it out before we started to even bother going down here, because we stand more of a chance now. Especially at level 7. That's not bad at all. Wooden haunch. That's good. That's going to be something we're going to be needing. Okay. Let's get upstairs. Run around the corner. And that's about it. And I'll see you all in the next episode. Until then, later.